Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. Crunch's announcement. Data from Defalama shows that Phantom's total value lock plunged from around $12 billion to $6.7 billion over the last few weeks. While $FTM is currently the most traded token among Ethereum whales, data shows they are still holding on to their meme-inspired SHIB, with the cryptocurrency being their third largest holdings behind only Ethereum itself and FTX native cryptocurrency $FTT. As CryptoGlobe reported, the top 1,000 whales on app held over $2 billion of Shiba Inu late last month, and were seemingly still accumulating the meme-inspired cryptocurrency at the time. Their accumulation was occurring after the team behind SHIB announced to tap Singapore-based blockchain solutions provider Unification, a company that has worked with firms like Google and Amazon, to work on Shibarium. Shibarium, it's worth noting, is a Layer 2 network built on top of the Ethereum blockchain, meant to support the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It's set to enable rapid low-cost transactions optimized for gaming. Unification is planning on launching a public testnet for the network very soon according to its announcement. $3 mark, registering a 40% loss. Furthermore, a steeper descending trendline carried the downfall, undermining a buyer's attempt to rally higher. On March 13th, the altcoin bounced back from the support trendline and poked the steeper resistance trendline on March 19th. This bullish breakout triggered a new bull cycle which would drive the altcoin to the overhead trendline $0.0000275. Contrary to the bullish thesis, fallout from the support trendline will resume the downtrend rally and plummet the altcoin to a $0.00002 psychological level. Technical indicator: the 50 and 200 EMA moving near the $0.00022 resistance strengthens the seller's defense of this mark. However, the price action set up the new relief rally could prevent the potential death crossover among these EMAs. The relative strength index slope rallying higher bolsters the possibility of bullish reversal from $0.00022 support. At the same time, how is Shiba Inu responding? SHIB has been holding up quite nicely on the charts. With various accumulations and burns going on, the digital asset has not had too much of a hard time of it, although it does follow general trends of the crypto market like every other coin. As for the large purchases made by whales and how they affected the cryptocurrency, the changes have not been that apparent. There was a spike in the price on Wednesday following this purchase, but not by a large margin. SHIB had moved from $0.0000215 to $0.0000228 as the trading day drew to a close. However, there was a small downward correction that brought it back down to $0.0000036 in America and 11th in the world, she also said via Twitter. Bitcoinist also reported that Binance plans to acquire Brazilian securities brokerage. In a fast-developing market like Brazil, crypto can transform and facilitate people's lives, and as such, we believe in full collaboration with local authorities, that Binance has a lot to contribute in developing the community and ecosystem in Brazil, CZ said. Colombia, Peru, and Mexico experiment with crypto candidates to Colombia's Congress. Edward Rodriguez and Didier Carrillo manifested their support for Bitcoin in clear legislation. Sadly, elections were last week and neither of them made it. That's Latin America for you. Even though it's a fact that drug cartels prefer banks to crypto to launder their money, crypto entrepreneurs in Colombia and Mexico suffer the stigma of being suspected of money laundering. The buyers need to gather enough bullish momentum during the ongoing retest if they want to overcome the overhead barrier. The recent bear cycle within the symmetrical triangle pattern plunged the Shiba Inu SHIB price to the $0.00023 lost 25%. Lending platform Iron Bank lost 50% of its value as well. Finance, a blue-chip ETH project in which Crunch was no longer involved in the day-to-day operations, also saw its token tumble shortly after Crunch's announcement was made. Phantom itself along with tokens from its ecosystem plunged as well, despite Cronj not being known for significantly being involved in their development. It's unclear whether the largest Ethereum whales have been trading $FTM in a bid to accumulate the token, or to dispose of their holdings in light of dollars. Shiba Inu is currently trading at $0.00002238, landing at a higher low after its correction. It still remains the second largest meme coin by market cap at $12.30 billion. Latin America, tipping point. The region flirts with and rejects cryptocurrencies. Typical Latin America. The region as a whole is having a love-hate relationship with cryptocurrencies. On the one hand, apparently, crypto remittances in Brazil, Argentina, and Venezuela grew 900% last year. On the other, Mexico and Peru's central banks are actively working in their CBDCs. Which way will the scale tip? The jury's still out on that one. For the sake of organization, let's go through Latin America country by county. Latin America, TP Brazil is clean and Binance wants, and according to Chainalysis, less than 1% of all cryptocurrencies that came to Brazil in 2021 were used in some criminal activity. That's quoting Portal do Bitcoin's journalist Saori Honorado. Chainalysis estimates that Brazilians bought $140 billion in cryptocurrencies last year, a number that places Brazil as the largest crypto market in LatView. It makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.00003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB could reach $0.00005183 by 2023 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.00004401 for 2023, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2023. What will happen in 2 years? Forecast for 2024. Volatility.